Hello and welcome everyone. Our today's question is linked list of strings form a palindrome. So we have given a linked list and instead of integer we have given string as a node value. So after combining these strings we have to tell whether the combined string is a palindrome or not. So the main thing is how to combine these strings into a one string and telling whether this string is a palindrome or not. So we will use string, but I will not use string because string is costlier. I use a string builder. It is same as string, but it can do removal and insertion fastly. So first I will insert this value, then I will insert this value into string or string builder, then this, then next value, then next value. And now our task is easy. We have to tell whether this string is a palindrome or not. So assign L to 0 and R to n minus 1. So this character is equal. So L plus plus R minus minus. This character is also equal. So again L plus plus R minus minus. So this character is not equal. So we have to return false in this case. So let's jump into the coding part. So string builder. Then we have to iterate in the linked list till root is not equal to null. So append means addition of root value. Root value is a string value. So first it will append a, then bc into a, then d into abc, then dcb into this string. So you got my point. So next jump into the next node. So root equal to root of next. So we have string builder as a complete string. So now we have to tell whether it is a palindrome or not. So assign L to 0 and R to n minus 1. Then just run a simple while loop and check the characters. If it is not equal, return false. So after iterating, we have to return true. So that's a simple code. So I hope you got it, and thank you all for watching this video.